Jaime King lost custody of her two sons to her ex-husband, Kyle Newman, after failing to complete a 6-month rehab program. A judge declared that Newman will have sole physical custody of James, 11, and Leo, 9, who will primarily live with their dad, per court documents obtained by People on Monday. The former couple will share legal custody of the kids, but the filmmaker was granted tie-breaking authority, which means he has the final say in decisions if they are deadlocked. King was granted visitation rights with her sons. However, she must be supervised around the boys after failing to complete a 6-month drug/alcohol program with weekly testing and aftercare, a 26-week parenting program, individual counseling to address case issues, and conjoint counseling with minors, according to the magazine. The actress, 45, can only see her children 3 times a week in specific hour blocks. Her approved supervisors include her mom, sister, brother-in-law, and Newman's brother. The update comes months after Newman, 48, asked a judge for sole custody of the kids, claiming in a petition that Jaime had been strung out and drunk while they were in her care. Newman recalled one alleged incident in which James and Leo, the latter of whom is the godson of Taylor Swift, called him and begged him to pick them up from their mom's house. When he arrived, King was allegedly sitting on the floor and appeared to not be wearing any pants while joined by 2 men. Jaime looked distressed, strung out, and was acting drunk. She gestured for me to come over to her because she tried to get up but could not stand, he stated in court documents. King was allegedly slurring her words and said of their sons, "Those are bad boys. We have to do something about our boys. Their behavior is not right." The exes, who tied the knot in 2007, have been wrapped up in legal battles since the model filed for divorce in 2020. At the time, she also filed for, and was granted, a restraining order against Newman. Shortly after, the barely lethal director claimed King was a chronic drug addict and alcoholic. He alleged the Heart of Dixie actress abused opiates before their 2 children were born and throughout her pregnancies, resulting in Leo being born addicted to opiates. Newman also claimed that his and King's friends staged an intervention in 2020, which resulted in her going to a Utah rehab center. However, she checked herself out soon after.